This song uses 5 chords, and I would like to thank Jean Harvey for suggesting this music. I'll try to do entirely on English. So, on the intro, we can play the metal part. Second to last flat on the first string, it's a D, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Then we play this 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 7, 8. Second part, first part of the verse, we play D minor 4 times. So 0, 1, 2, 2. 0, 1, 2, 2. We'll play it 4 times with the stroking being down, down, up fast, down, up, down, down. 3, 4. After, on the second part of the verse, we will play D minor 2 times and A 2 times. A is 0, 0, 1, 2. Same stroking pattern. So we'll be down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. A down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. We will continue until the chorus. Same 2 chords 2 times each. On the chorus, we will have D minor 2 times, A 2 times, G minor 1, 3, 2, 0, G minor, and A 2 times each. So same stroking pattern. It will be D minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, A, down, up, down, up, down, down, A, down, up, down, up, down, down, G minor, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, A, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Second part of the chorus, when the heavy guitars enter, we'll have D minor 4 times. Only this time it will be down, up, down, up. D minor, C, which is 3, 0, 0, 0, B flat, which is 1, 1, 2, 3, A again, and G minor 8 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All together. C, B flat, A, G minor, minor. Back on the verse. Only we'll play 4 times D minor alone. 2, 3 D minor, 4 D minor. Then second part of the second verse we'll have again D minor 2 times, A 2 times until the chorus. On second chorus, same sequence, nothing changes, but on the exit of the second chorus, we will play D minor 2 times, A 2 times, D minor 2 times, A 2 times. Then we'll play D minor only until the end of the music. So exit of the second chorus, D minor, C, B flat, A, G minor, 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 D minor, then the music ends singing alone and no instrument. That's the music, entire music. We can play a slightly more difficult stroking pattern, which is semi-sequence, but I play only the third string, then the third second together, and stroke it on the same way. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. So I'm playing third string alone, third and second together, up, third and second together, down, up, down, down. So it's slightly more difficult, but more details to the music. So hope it was helpful and not too confusing. And thanks again for Jahave.